Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna learn how to download Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Visual Studio Code or VS Code is a program that allows you to code with HTML, with JavaScript, and also with Python and with HTML, CSS. So, today we're going to learn how to download it from the Microsoft Store, and then we're going to learn how to download it from the web. So, let's start. So, first, we're going to learn how to get it from the web. So, open Google Chrome, and then search for VS Code. Here, click on the first website or the first link, and then here you click on download for Windows stable build, or you can also click on download here. So this is how you get it from the web. Next, we're gonna learn how to get it from the Microsoft Store. So to get it from the Microsoft Store, just open it and then search for VS Code. And then press enter. And then you can see the first app. Here is Visual Studio Code. Just click on it. And then wait. And then I have already installed it. If you don't have it installed on your computer, you can just click on install right here. It will be installed. So this is how you install Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, press the subscribe button. So, see you again.